The picturesque landscapes of Nabarangapur, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Bolangir, Kalahandi and Keonjhar districts of Odisha are home to one of India's prominent tribal groups, Gond. As with many tribal communities, music, dance and songs are integral to the Gond lifestyle. From social gatherings to religious fairs and festivals, communal dance and music are essential aspects of Gondi activities. Gond play a particular musical instrument during their dances, known as Kut Mander or Guta Mander. This percussive instrument functions similarly to the dhulla, used widely throughout Odisha. Kut Mander is vital in forming dance rhythms. Traditional Gond dance routines often involve 8 to 10 Kut Mander players. Kut Mander is made from tree wood, hence its name. The instrument is 1 foot wide on one side, with the other side being smaller at 10 inches. Both sides are covered with leather. After procuring suitable tree logs, Gond carve out the middle portion to make it hollow. Once the log takes shape and meets the required dimensions, it is sent to tanners or leather workers. Tanners procure leather from dead animal skin and process them to use on the logs. The tanners undertake intricate and time-consuming steps to securely attach the leathers to the logs. After extracting leather for both the sides and the binding ropes, they sew the leathers on each side in 2 layers. The leather ropes are used to tightly secure the leathers on both sides. Finally, the top layer is cut to reveal the bottom layer, which produces the percussive sound when struck. After securing the leather onto the logs, the tanners return them to the Gond people. The new Kut Mandars are then left to dry under the sun for a few days. Once ready, the Gond apply a coating of turmeric paste and lakho on its sides and attach fabric handles just before playing. Kut Mandars are very auspicious instrument for the Gond community. They also use a similar percussive instrument made from clay called Mati Mandar. Mati Mandar looks similar to Dambaru, which is believed to be played by Lord Shiva. As worshippers of Lord Shiva, the Gond regard the Dambaru as their primary musical instrument. Thus, Mati Mandar is considered to be a counterpart of the Dambaru. Gond dance and songs are incomplete without the Kut Mander and Mati Mandar. Recently, while the use of Kut Mander remains prevalent among the Gond, the Mati Mandar has seen a decline in usage.